When we went Florida house shopping, we were amazed at how big some of these showers are. Now, maybe these showers are large everywhere and we're just not used to it. But these showers were huge. I mean, they're large enough, you could fit your entire family and 2 neighbors in these and all shower at the same time, these big party showers. Well, a lot of these showers have a lot of different kinds of nozzles in them, right? They've got the traditional shower head, they've got the wand. But one thing our shower was missing was the rain shower head. So today, we're gonna be installing a rain shower head into our shower. So this is the way it's gonna go. Coming out of the wall, we're gonna have this device. This is gonna allow us to switch between the rain shower head and the normal shower head. So I've already disconnected the regular shower head. That will go there. Then, coming out for the rain shower head, we've got an elbow. And then coming off the elbow is gonna be an arm. And then at the end of the arm will be the rain shower head. So let's put it all together. First thing I'm gonna do is just clean this. There we go. And I'm gonna rewrap it with some plumbing tape. So here we go, just wrap the whole thing with plumbing tape. Just wrap the whole thing with plumbing tape. Now we're gonna put on the diverter. I made sure there was a washer inside of there. And I have to decide, do I want the rain shower head on that side or that side? So we start just hand tightening it. And this makes sure by hand tightening it, you're not gonna mess up the threads. Okay, and then we're gonna get a wrench. To protect the finish, just put a cloth over it and then use a pair of channel locks. There. Now some more tape. Put the tape on the opposite way that you're gonna be screwing on the next fixture, although I don't think it really matters. Put the original shower head back on. You can tighten it by hand and then tighten it by the wrench. Some more tape, and then we're gonna put on the elbow. Some more tape, and then we'll attach the arm. So looking at how this goes, I guess the elbow was optional because this part of the arm can turn any direction you want. But I haven't, so it's gonna connect it right into there. Some tape at the end of the arm, and now we can attach the shower head. This one came with a small wrench, so I'm just going to use it. The rain shower head is installed. Thank you for watching.